In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect files and folders in OneDrive. Redirecting files and folders can be a great way to better organize your cloud storage, ensure important documents are always backed up, and help streamline your work processes. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can do this easily and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your OneDrive. If you're using Windows, you can typically find it in your taskbar. It's the little cloud icon that represents your OneDrive account. If you don't see it, you might have to search for OneDrive in your Start menu to open the application. Once OneDrive is open, ensure that you're signed into your correct account. This is crucial because you want to make sure you're working within the right environment. Now, take a moment to identify which files or folders you want to redirect. This is important because having a clear idea of what you are moving will save you time and help you maintain better organization within your storage. Decide on the folders, whether it's your documents, pictures, or perhaps a custom folder that you're currently working with. The more specific you can be here, the smoother the process will go. Next, open File Explorer on your computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key followed by the letter E. In File Explorer, navigate to the OneDrive folder. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice all the folders that are synced with your OneDrive account displayed here. What you're going to do is drag the folder or files you wish to redirect into the OneDrive folder. This step transfers the document from your local device storage to your cloud storage, ensuring it's securely backed up and accessible from anywhere you log into OneDrive. Now, here's a pro tip: if you want your OneDrive folder to be easily accessible, you can pin it to your Quick Access menu. Simply right-click on the OneDrive icon in File Explorer and select Pin to Quick Access. This makes it effortless to reach your folders whenever you need them. After moving your folders, it's a good idea to check that the files are indeed synced. You can do this by checking the status icons next to each file or folder. A green checkmark means it's completed uploading and is safely stored on the cloud. If you see a status icon like spinning arrows, that just means the synchronization process is still ongoing, so give it some time. Finally, save changes and close any unnecessary windows. Be sure to give it a quick check by logging into your OneDrive through a web browser, ensuring everything is as it should be. And there you have it. Your files are now effectively redirected in OneDrive, making for a cleaner, more organized workspace. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy organizing!